Hello, my name is Ted Manson, and I'm an orthopedic surgeon at the University of Maryland. I operate both at St. Joseph's Hospital in Towson and then also at the Shock Trauma Center in downtown Baltimore. My specialty is orthopedic surgery, and so I do both hip and knee replacement, mostly at St. Joseph's in Towson, and then take care of people with problems around hip and knee replacement and patients who have been injured in car and motorcycle wrecks and gunshots down at Shock Trauma in Baltimore. I went to medical school at Northwestern University in Chicago and then followed that up with a residency at Johns Hopkins in Baltimore in orthopedic surgery. Stayed on in Baltimore at Shock Trauma for a year to do a trauma fellowship, and then went to New York to the Hospitals for Special Surgery for a year to do a fellowship in hip and knee replacement. What attracted me to orthopedics was the ability for applied engineering. I was an engineer in between college and med school, and just loved the engineering aspect of things, and also found that I really liked taking care of patients, and so that's why I decided to go into medicine, and it was sort of a natural marriage of the two. The greatest thing about orthopedics is the ability of the operations to change people's lives on a daily basis, to relieve pain and fix deformity.